Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of CSS tutorial, I will show you how to decrease font size of HTML element by using CSS. If you watch this video till the end, then you will be able to display text in different size like this. So without any delay, let us see how to do it. Let us start coding. Let us change title of document to setting font size. Now let us create three h1 element. As you can see here, I have created three h1 element and assigned ID to each one of these elements. The ID of first h1 element is first h1, the ID of second h1 element is second h1, and the ID of third h1 element is third h1. Now let us save the file and see we could create HTML element or not. Let us run the file. As you can see, the browser displayed all three h1 elements. It means that we could create three h1 element successfully. Now by using CSS, let us set font size to each one of these h1 elements. To set font size by using CSS, we need to go to his section and use style tag. Now let us select first h1 element by its ID. In our case, it is first h1. Now let us type opening and closing curly braces. For setting font size in CSS, we need to use CSS property called font size. In CSS, we can specify the value of font size in three different ways. First way is by using pixel, and second way is by using percentage, and third way is by using EM. Let us set the value of font size and first h1 element and pixel. Let us set 25 pixel. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us select second h1 element by its ID. Now let us type opening and closing curly braces. Now let us use a font size property. Let us set the value of font size and percentage 116%. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us select third h1 element. Now let us type opening and closing curly braces. Now let's use font size. Let us set the value of font size and EM method. 1 EM is equals to 16 pixel. So let us set 3 EM. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file and see. Now let us save the file and see we could apply font size to each one of these h1 elements or not. Go to file, select save. As you can see, the font size of first h1 element is 25 pixel. The font size of second h1 element is 116 pixel, and the font size of third h1 element is 3 EM. Okay guys, this was the way of setting font size for HTML element by using CSS. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.